Are you getting denied for an auto loan and don't know why? It's incredibly frustrating, right? You need a car, but for some reason the banks are saying no. Well, today, I'm going to break down the #1 mistake I see people make that gets their loan denied. Plus, I'll show you some common errors that send up major red flags to lenders. And of course, I'll show you exactly how to fix these mistakes so you can get approved and drive off with confidence. The biggest reason people get denied for an auto loan is inaccurate or inconsistent information on the application. Something as simple as a small mistake can get your application flagged and rejected instantly. Lenders need to make sure you're good for the money, right? They verify everything you tell them. That means your income, employment history, where you live, and your credit history. If any details don't match up across your credit report, bank statements, or pay stubs, red flag. Lenders want to give loans to responsible people who will pay them back. Now, inaccurate info isn't the only mistake that can cost you an approval. There are several other pitfalls that can trip you up. Overstating your income. It's tempting to inflate your income to qualify for a bigger loan, but trust me, it's not worth it. Lenders will check your pay stubs or tax returns. They have ways to verify your income, and if they find discrepancies, it's a red flag. If the numbers don't match, denied. It's as simple as that. Job instability. If your resume looks like a list of every job you've had for the past 5 years, lenders get worried. Multiple jobs in the last year may make lenders worry about consistent income. They want to see stability. Unverifiable residence. Using a parent's address or a P.O. box can stall or deny your application. Lenders need to verify where you live. High debt-to-income ratio, DTI. This is a big one. If your monthly debt payments are too high compared to your income, lenders worry you can't handle another loan. They see it as a risk. Multiple loan applications. Applying at too many dealerships can backfire. It might seem like a good idea to shop around, but be careful. Multiple hard inquiries on your credit report can lower your score and make you look desperate. Always be mindful of how many applications you submit. How do you fix these mistakes and improve your chances of getting approved? It might seem daunting, but with a few strategic steps, you can significantly enhance your approval odds. Here's what you need to do. Double-check your info. This is the first and most crucial step. Make sure all your information is 100% accurate. Even a small error can lead to a rejection. Check that your name, income, and employment details match your pay stubs and credit report. Consistency is key. Have proof of income and residence ready. Be proactive. Gather all necessary documents ahead of time. Have a recent pay stub, W-2, or tax return ready to prove your income. This shows lenders that you are financially stable. To verify your residence, a utility bill or a copy of your lease agreement will do the trick. Improve your DTI ratio. This is another critical factor. Pay down some existing debt before you apply for the loan. Reducing your debt-to-income ratio can make you a more attractive borrower. This will significantly increase your chances of getting approved with a good interest rate. Limit your applications. Be selective. Only apply with lenders that fit your credit profile. Research and choose wisely. Too many hard inquiries can drop your score, which can hurt you in the long run. Each application leaves a mark. Work with the right lender. This can make all the difference. Not all lenders are created equal. Some specialize in different types of loans. If you've had a recent credit issue, talk to lenders who specialize in subprime or special financing options. They understand unique situations. They might be able to work with you even if a traditional bank says no. By following these steps, you can turn a potential rejection into an approval. Here's a pro tip that can save you a ton of time, money, and stress. Get pre-approved for your auto loan before you even think about stepping foot in a dealership. This simple step can make the entire car buying process smoother and more enjoyable. Getting pre-approved is like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. It gives you confidence and clarity. It tells you exactly what loan amount you qualify for and what interest rate you'll be getting before you even start talking to a car salesman. This knowledge can save you from potential financial pitfalls. This way, you won't be pressured into a loan you can't afford. You can walk away from bad deals with confidence. Plus, it gives you a lot more negotiation power with the finance manager at the dealership. You can secure better terms and drive away knowing you made a smart financial decision. So let's recap. The #1 mistake that gets your auto loan denied is inaccurate or inconsistent application info, but now you know how to fix it. Avoid those red flags, double-check all your details, and get pre-approved. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more insider auto finance tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever been denied for a car loan. I'd love to help.